What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. In my last video, we just did a quick walkthrough of the same property we're in right now. Just wanted to kind of let you guys see some more. I'm gonna go upstairs. We're at a single family residence on 13th Street in Canton, Ohio. We're evaluating this property to see if it's something that we may purchase for our clients, rather. So the property is definitely going to need a full rehab. We just want to illustrate to you guys that we will purchase a property in any condition. So rather than put your home on the market with a realtor and prepare your home for sale, meaning, make repairs in your property, spend unnecessary money with fixing up the property and dealing with buyers who are going to ask for inspections and pay a realtor commission, you could sell to us and get a cash offer in 30 days or less. If that's something you think you might be interested in, just visit our website, www.investparamount.com, or just call me directly, 330-685-2220.